Can you finance a car after you've done a Chapter 7 bankruptcy? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and the answer to that question is yes, absolutely. You can finance a car after you've done a Chapter 7. Here's how you go about it. When you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, it's going to take about 3 to 4 months to be completely finished. But about 30 days after you file, you're going to have a meeting, and that's called a 341 meeting. It's a very brief meeting in court that's conducted by a trustee. And after that meeting, what you should do is start looking for a lender. You should start trying to set the whole thing up, because you'll have about 3 months to do that. You cannot make this deal until after your discharge, which will be about maybe 90 days after your 341 meeting. So you'll have about 90 days to have everything in order. You should go online to do this. Go online and shop for lenders who are experienced in lending to Chapter 7 discharged people. There are plenty of them out there. A good site to look at is called Cars Direct, carsdirect.com. That's just one of many, and it's not an endorsement from me. I think Cars Direct is the biggest one, but they are very experienced in connecting buyers who have done a bankruptcy with lenders who are experienced in making those kinds of loans. So you get it set up like that, so by the time your discharge is complete, then you're ready to make the deal. Now, here's some other things to keep in mind. You can negotiate the interest rate. Everything's negotiable, including the interest rate, but be prepared to pay a little bit more. Interest rates are set and charged according to risk, and they're entitled to charge you a little bit more, but not an unreasonable amount. Don't accept any 25-30% deals. You don't have to do that. Here is some other things to think about. Be reasonable in your approach to cars. You're not going to be able to finance a $50,000 or $60,000 car immediately after discharge. You couldn't afford it anyway, most likely. If you could, you shouldn't be in a Chapter 7. So restrict yourself to $15,000 or less. Be prepared to finance $15,000 or less. That's a general rule. Finally, be prepared to pay something down. Make a down payment. 20% is very reasonable. So you get that car financed, maybe down the road somewhere, you can get that $50,000 or $60,000 or $100,000 car when things turn around for you. The last thing I'll tell you is get yourself in a good program to rebuild your credit score. Program like 7 Steps to a 720. We offer that program free to our clients. It's an excellent program to raise your credit score so you can buy the things you want and the things you can afford. Hi, this is Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee, and if you have problems with debt and you just can't pay, I'd love to talk with you about it. Whether it's Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, folks, I think I can help you. Call me right now for a free appointment or contact me at the Get in Touch form on this page.